Life project. Task 4. My amazing future. I will put together a brief personal presentation about me. This is my document. And hello everyone. My name is Arley Fabian Diaz. I am 28 years old and I am currently working towards my systems engineering degree at UNAV. Next, I will lay out my life goals. When I think about my future life, I imagine I will have set up some important goals. If I succeed in my studies, I will have graduated by the time I am 30, which will allow me to start working in my chosen field. First, I hope to land a stable job, which will help me buy out a secure life. If I secure a good position, I will have saved enough to buy my first home in a few years. With this stability, I am to settle down and bring up children and a loving and secure environment. Once I hold down a steady job, I would also like to travel. Traveling will help me open up to new cultures and ideas, making me a more open-minded person. If I manage to travel frequently, I will have visited several countries by the time I am 40. As I work and move forward, I plan to put aside money to help my parents. They have always supported me and I want to give back to them. If I consistently save for them, I will have support them financially in their retirement. Finally, when I pick up enough experience in my career, I would like to set up my own business. If I establish my business successful, I will have created several job opportunities in my community within the first few years. This business will allow me to create jobs and give back to my community. I believe that with this plan I will not only reach my personal dreams but also look out for others around me. And thanks for your attention and see you next time.